Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna gravy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 standard can of tuna, 2 cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter, plus salt and pepper for seasoning. Make sure your tuna is thoroughly drained before you begin. This is a crucial step for achieving the perfect gravy consistency. We're aiming for a rich, creamy sauce. Now, let's create the foundation of our gravy, the roux. Begin by melting 2 generous tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, slowly whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and creates a lightly golden, smooth paste, which is essential for a lump-free gravy. With our roux ready, it's time to add the liquid and the star ingredient. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously as you add it to prevent any lumps from forming. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for approximately 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Finally, stir in your thoroughly drained tuna, ensuring it's well distributed for flavor in every bite. Almost done, now for the finishing touches. Season your tuna gravy generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give it a final stir and let it simmer for just 1 to 2 more minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. Your delicious, homemade tuna gravy is now ready to be served warm over your favorite toast, fluffy biscuits, or even rice for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.